Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoswase Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. People are talking about Unandipha Magudumana, how she ruined her life, how she ruined her career for a man kasana. So Unandipha guys and people are saying also it's really not fair for the kids because you decide kubaleka nelibhantini anje abe on the run for a man kesana ane-career le-right, umsebenzi lo-right, imali. Yabona ukuthi abantu labagijimisa tigebengu, it's not people who are poor, it's not people laba nganamali, it's labanye banemali or lomnye unakho konke empilweni, lomnye u-right utimele, but aphinze lapho adecide kuyimosha impilo yakhe. Cabanga uhlala esikoleni 7 years ufunzele went medicine ube ngidoctor, bese uma usuka lapho uyophila impilo yakho yonke oyitshele because unama-decisions labhedza-ke empilweni. Said ne uthi zokogigaba she is a bad mother nje, shame, run away with indoda over your own flesh and blood, ngane zakhe ezinhle. So shame. So people are really speechless ukuthi bone life li-right wena people would kill kuba kule life boyiphila, but wena bongatiboni ngokuthi uphila impilo le-right, you still wanted more wena. Uthi lona, was it necessary to drag your father in a mess? Love really hurts. Ukhulumisa ukuthi baba wakhe nayo involved, but nayo otifakile. Uthi lona, and it's really sad that Thabo Bester brainwashed her and destroyed her life. Uyaphikisa lo uthi hayi uthi decidele kuhamba ugijimisana nelibhantinti abakambrainwashanga, ufunzile lo muntu une-practice yakhe, kufuna-ke osimhold accountable for kushiya ifamily yakhe on ama-decision labhedzako. Uthi stop defending nonsense and blaming the other guy. Yes, we can't blame uThabo vele, uthi ufunele i-decision utentele akambambanga ngesibhame enhloko, wathi ngilandzela kambambanga ngesibhame enhloko, wathi ngigane baleka nami nawe siyoba amabhantinti eqineni konke. It was her choice kesana, utivumele utifunele utivumele. So we cannot blame uThabo Bester, honestly we can't blame him because utifunele kodwa kule situation madam uti-decide lena ukuthi mina ngibona indoda ibalulekile kundlula abantu abami, mina ngibona indoda ibalulekile kundlula everything. So we can't blame uThabo. Uthi this records all because of ipipi and money. Hayi kubuhlungu. Ngiyazwela. Uthi GP ma-orange na, don't blame Thabo Bester. Nandipha is old enough to make her own choices. She deserves everything that's happening to her. Well, it's true. Umzala uNandipha utendele ama-choices akhe empilweni. She's old, funzile, she's educated, she's smart. Yini into legcine yemenda ukuthi athanzane nemgulukudu? Yini into lemenda ukuthi alahle abantu abakhe for skebengu? We cannot blame uThabo Bester saying ukuthi umbrainwashile umende. No, Thabo Bester okabika ngasibhame enhloko yakhe wathi ngilandzele, akakwentanga lokho. Kube i-decision yakhe, choice yakhe, wabona ukuthi uThabo ubaluleke kundlula yonke into lekhona emhlabeni. So ngiyofala kafa khona. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.